Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna be looking at some of these sites where you can get the free things, right? So let's just say if you're a designer, right? If you're a designer and you need some of the assets to be able to use in your work, so where you can get these assets. So today I'm gonna be showing you some of these sites where you can get the free assets for your designing works. So let's start with the images, right? Images, where are the images you can download for free, royalty free images? So this website, it's called nappy.co, right? This website, it's offers a colored person's images where you can download freely, and I'm glad that they're doing this, and it's a very cool website, right? If I wanted to have these images, so I clicked on that. Here it is, download button, so I can download these images, right? There is a lot of them that I can download, and I think they do even have a search button in here. Yeah, the search button in here. You can search out man. So man, I click it man, and here it is. Lots of great images that I can download. Right, these are all royalty-free images. That's the important thing. So you don't get any copyright issues just because of using these images in your work. All right. So the next stuff we have unsplash.com. uh, you can see this website, it's have a lots of variety of images, and these are all actually free, royalty free images, right? You can read out to, I think you can read out the copyright thing somewhere in here. So here it is, the download button, and they do have a search button. So I'm gonna search out, let's just say candy, right? Why not? Candy they don't have. How about sky? They have a lot of that. See, a lot of sky images for free, right? This website, it's called unsplash.com. It's also my favorite website because you get a lot of variety of images for free. And another website, it's called pixabay.com. This website also have a variety of images, and these are all actually royalty free images, and they don't not only they have images, actually they do even have videos and music, sound effects, which will get into more on those images, those videos, music stuff later on, but let's just focus on images side of stuffs. So these are all royalty free. I'm gonna search out sky again in here, and here it is, lots of skies, right? The next website we're gonna be looking at, it's a free peek freakpeek.com. It's actually industry secret. Many people might hate me for telling this website, but anyway, you can get lots of assets, and I clicked on the images, photos, sorry, and I'm gonna type out sky. I already did typed out sky, and here are all the images for skies. And this what you're looking at, this icon, which means this is a premium ones. You can download those for free, but the other one, see, this one don't have this icon kind of thing at the top, which means I can download that for free, and that's that. If you see this icon, those are our premium ones. So all right, the next website, it's called pixels.com. Right, pixels.com, they do have other stuff, but let's focus on the photos, and let's type out the candy. Can we get a candy in here? Maybe. Here it is, candies, and these are all free. That's the important thing. So yeah, pixels.com, that's the website name. All right, you can get a lot of free images in here. And another website, it's Pinterest. I'm not sure about the copyright stuff, but you can still download images in here. uh, Copyright in the sense, they did not mention anywhere saying, let's say this images I wanted to use. I didn't read anywhere that this images is actually free, but I've seen people using these sites to download images. So I guess this site has copyright free images, I guess. So you can use those. Explore. You have to click explore, right? And what we're gonna art. Let's go to art. And here it is. Here are all the images, right? Let's just say I want pen, right? Well, search for specific one. Here it is. These are all pens. You can download them. They might ask you to create account and that kind of stuff, but I guess these images are free. I guess I'm not 100% sure, but I guess. All right, the next website we have, it's Adobe Stocks. I heard you probably saying this is not free, but it's they do have a free sections, right? You can choose free and images and that kind of stuff. I typed let's just say type sky, right? That's the one we've been searching for, right? So these are all actually these images. It's free, but they might ask you while downloading this image. They might ask you uh, create an account and that kind of stuff. But yeah, it says free, which means these are all royalty free. You can able to use these images in your project. Not only sky. How about mango? Did they have free images for mango? See, they have free images, but I think you have to create an account. That's a bummer. But anyway, Adobe Stocks. And another category websites we're gonna be looking at. So these sites where you can download some sort of a vintage kind of maybe old photos, that kind of stuff. So this website is called wikipedia.com. So these images, right, what images that you're gonna find in these websites are actually free, right? Where I have to go, I'm searching. Let's just say, I don't know, you can find some vintage kind of images in here, right? President, let's type out president. Right, so this Barack Obama picture, it's actually free. Free in the sense copyright free, right? So yeah, this Wikipedia Commons website have a variety of free images. Wikipedia Commons means I think this website is associated with Wikipedia. You can really download images from Wikipedia, right? Wikipedia, what are the images that they have in the Wikipedia site? Let's go to Wikipedia. Well, Wikipedia. Oh, I'm spelling that right, but anyway, it's gonna come up. Wikipedia. I'm gonna type I don't know, Obama, right? Obama. See, the same image is also in here that we searched before, right? The same images, and it's copyright free. You can they literally said that in somewhere. I'm gonna show it to you. Close out this one. Where is Wikipedia Commons, right? This is the one we were in. This is the website of Wikipedia Commons. You click on more details. You can read out the copyright things in here. For an image, I read this specific one. They wrote along copyright kind of things, but it's free. I definitely sure it's free. You can use those in your project. Previously, I was searching actually. I don't know. Maybe search for old. Let's click on this website. This image more. Anyway, for that copyright thing. I don't know what image I was in, and they literally said that these images you can be modified, you can be republished, and whatever that kind of stuff. So, what are the images that you're gonna find in this website, Wikipedia Commons? It's actually royalty-free images, right? So that's that wikipedia.org, wikipedia.org, and the next website we have it's called Library of Congress website. It's actually called www.loc.gov. Library. I think if you search out in Google Library of Congress, you'll get this website. See, these are all free images, free to use and reuse the friendship related that they're showing. But you can find the other images also, old vintage kind of ish images. See, this American British friendship thing images is actually free, royalty free. And this is a kid reading book, it's free, right? Lots of cool images, vintage old kind of images you can find in this website, Library of Congress website, are actually free to use. Let's click on this one. What they're gonna show, they're gonna give you some download option. See, download, you can download the whatever the size you want. File size, not the resolution things. Anyway, the next website we have, public.org. Again, this website is also, you can find some old vintage kind of fish images. These are all royalty free, really. See, this Saturn images, right? You can download that. You can literally download that. See, they give a download thing. So that's that. Public.org. Search out man. What am I gonna be getting? See, man drinking thing. This old image is free. Yeah, that's that with the public.org. And the next website category of website we're gonna be looking, image category website, where you can download the PNGs. So this website is called PNG Egg, and they have some PNGs, right? PNG means transparent background images. If you download this plane and if you get it over to Photoshop or something, you don't get a background. These are all transparent. That's PNG. So that's that PNG egg. You can download PNG images in here, where they have a search button. I'm sure they have a search button. Here it is. They have a search button. Let's type out candy. Right? They have a candies, free candies, PNG candies. Right? So yeah, that's that. And the other website, it's called, somebody calling me, just a minute. All right, so I get a call. Anyway, so this is that PNG Wing, right? You can download PNGs in this website, and the other website, it's called pngitem.com. If you type out in Google PNG item, you'll get other website. You specifically have to type pngitem.com. So then you'll get this website, and you can download the free PNGs in here too. Alright, so the next website we have texturelabs.org. Right, if you want high quality texture, when I say high quality, I really mean that. if you go to click on this brick thing, right? Look at the uh, look at the sizes that they offer. 8192 by 5467. That's a large, right? You can download pretty large textures images in this website. It's pretty cool images. Textureslabs.com. Not only they have bricks, they do have a paper. If I click on paper, see, these are all royalty free. That's the important thing, right? Look at the sizes. So yeah, they have a variety of textures. Water, watercolor. I don't know what that means. Tone, vintage. Even in the paper, they have this category. I thought this is a separate one, but anyway, look at they have a sky images, soil, stone. Those are all textures, by the way. And I say soil. See, it's the textures. I click on sky. Where's that sky? It went somewhere here. See, it's a texturey kind of images, right? It's not the type of skies that we found in other website, right? Look at the sizes. So you can get these images into a Photoshop. You could do I don't know, some blending and that kind of stuff. Pretty cool image website, textureslabs.com. And that's about that. Images. These are all the websites actually that you can download free, royalty free images. All right, so now that we looked at the places where you can download the images, right now it's time for the videos. So this website, it's called mixkit.co. Not only they have videos, they do have a music, sound effect, templates, and icons. In under the video, I'm gonna type out sky and see, all these are all free videos. And one of the cool thing about this website actually is the templates. If you go to templates, you see all these drop down, right? Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut Pro. If I were to click on the Premiere Pro, these are all some of the text animators and that kind of stuff that they give a Premiere Pro file, Mogut files, and you can use them in there. And the good thing is, and I do made a video before, which is the transitions. They have a lot of cool Premiere Pro transition. Anyway, that's that with mixkit.com, right? They have a video section where you can download the free video, royalty free videos. All right, the next, and then another one, it's Vidizi. Of course, they do have photos and vectors and that kind of stuff, but they will take to the other site, sort of like a this is called vectors, meaning Vecteezy. This website is called Vecteezy, anyway, which I will get into this site later on. This is a Vidizi, right? Vidizi, you can download the videos. So certainly I'm going to type out star, for example. So I typed out star, and then these are all the free images, free videos. That's right. So the next website is hyper.ai. This is not the kind of website where you get where you type the prompt just like you would in here, right? You're gonna type sky whatever, and those related videos would gonna come out. This is a AI generating website. So I logged into my account. Actually, these website guys actually ask you to log into your create an account. So I created an account with the Google, and I logged into that. So let's just say I wanted sky in the kid, right? Why not? So I wanted the stock footage, and this hyper.ai will create that, and And those are pretty short videos. What is this thing gonna create? Like a 30-second or something like that. It's gonna take a while to create those videos. So, but anyway, it's a good to mention that hyper.ai. If you needed some AI generating videos, that you can use. See the kind of stuff that they creates, and it's okay to use this stuff on your website or whatever videos. Anyway, the next step is FreePic. I already mentioned this, but they do have a video, and I'm not gonna say this website again, but this website it's a cool website. They have all the templates, mockups, icons, vectors, photos. All of those are free. So under the videos, I'm gonna search Candy. See, these are all free videos, and this is one again, the premium one. You need a premium account to download this, but other than this, those are all free. These are all free, and the video it's in 4K. Think of that. Can you download the 4K? Yeah, you can download the 4K for free. Very good. And the next website is Pixels, right? I already mentioned that, but anyway, I won't mention the website that I previously mentioned, but they do have photos and videos, that kind of stuff. You can get videos in here too. And the other website it's Pixabay. They do have a illustration vectors and all this kind of stuff where you can download sound effects. If I go to sound effect, no, let's go to video. Video, and I'm gonna type out gods. We'll see what they're gonna give. See, pretty good videos. Anyway, the next place where you can download the videos is it's actually in YouTube. Right? If I typed it like a sky, and I'll go to filter and click on this Creative Commons option. So what does that mean? User uploads videos, right? If they check this Creative Commons option, what that means is people like us, we can use their videos. So these are under Creative Commons copyright, meaning we can download these videos and use them on our projects too. That's that. It's not giving related to Sky, but anyway, it's worthwhile to mention this Creative Commons thing. All right, so the next we're gonna be looking at the vectors, Illustrator files where you can download from, and this website, as I said before, Vecteezy. They do have other stuff, photos and videos and that kind of stuff. If I click on those, that will take you to the other website, but other website that they have. This is Vecteezy, and let's search for some things, right? Sky, right? So these are all vectors. If I were to click on that, this is a pro download, but they do have a free vectors. See the free ones, it says free. You can download them. I'm not sure these are all vectors, but we'll see. I think there are vector files. So Vecteezy, you can download the free vectors in here. Really, I hope so. That's it. But so the next website, I said it, I never say again. But this website, it's actually predominantly what I've seen in my graphic design experience. People use this mainly because to download the vectors. So you can get a lot of good vectors in this website. If I were to type on, let's just say marketing, mark, see, all the good vectors that you can get it out of this website, right? You can download this. They'll give you as a AI file, EPS, just another Illustrator file, JPEG font. So all of that available that you can download, and you can download this one, and you can download this one, and you can mix it up both. That's what the people. Anyway, that's the people in here. So, and the next another website, it's called Drawkit, drawkit.com. See, this is a very stylized vector, very stylized vector that you can download for free. Think you have to mention your email ID, I guess, but certainly you can download the vectors in this website too. Let's just say I'm running out of words, but Apple, that they're gonna give a stylized Apple. Maybe not Apple, but see, they have this 2D, 3D icons and that kind of stuff. So if I go to all, so this one is free, this one is not. This one you have to get a pro, meaning a paid, I guess, premium version. You need to have an account to download this one, but this one is free. This one is free. This one is free. Think of that. You can download these two files and mixing those, right? You can do those too. Man, I didn't know that they have this much of a good illustration, but certainly they are too. Icons, right? You can, yes, you can download the icons in here too. I never tested, but healthcare, see, medical healthcare related icons, you can download. For the icons one, I'm gonna be getting into the other website, but they do give this Drawkit website. They do give icons too, pretty good. So the next website is Reshot. So this website, as I already typed marketing, see they have these vectors. In fact, if I were to click on this one, it's downloaded actually. See, it's downloading those vectors. Very nice, and then you can open up in Illustrator. So that's that with the vectors. Wherever these are all the website that you can download. All right, so I already mentioned the textureslabs.com, right? .org, where you can get the flat textures. I mean image textures. So there is also another website called textures.com. I mean, if you go to this website and under free, you can get all these textures. These things are, you might be thinking, you might think like, oh, this is might be a 3D texture stuff or anything, things like that. But you can download these textures as a PNG, JPEG, things like that. So if I were to click on this medieval floor, see, this is a textures. This is a 2D texture, and if I click on this 4K render, it's gonna let me to download the image as a JPEG, right? So, and then you could take this JPEG image and whatever, if you go to the 3D software, and then maybe using as a UV map or whatever, that kind of stuff. But you can download as images, and they have a lot of textures. I don't know about these leaves, and we'll see. So you'll download this image, and it's free, and I don't know where you're gonna use this image. But these other images, these other textures might be useful if you were using I don't know, if you needed this floor and you use some blend stuffs in Photoshop or that kind of stuff, so it might be helpful. So this kind of images, it might be useful to create something interesting compositions. All right, so now it's the time for musics, audio effects and the voiceover. So I already mentioned this website where you can get the free images, but they do have a music and sound effects library, and those are all copyright free too, as far as I know at least. So yeah, that's that with Pixabay. And this website, it's called this website is from BBC. It's called BBC crewwind.co.uk, where you can get the sound effects for a lot of stuff. So if I were to search on lion, they have a lion. This one is like, see, this one is lion, and I can download that. They do give a MP3 file and a WAV file. So yeah, this website, you can get a free sound effects. What is this? Anyway, so this is the website, and the other website is called freesound.org. So similar to BBC, they do have they have sound effects, and you can search whatever you want. Creative Commons, right? Creative Commons free, which means you can use wherever you want, I guess. I don't know with what is this Creative Commons means, and at least you can use those sound effects in your YouTube or something like that, and social medias, I guess. And you have to log in to download. You have to create an account or something like that, and you have to log in to download these musics from this website. Not this music; these are all sound effects. Yeah, that's with the freesound.org. Now let's talk about the voiceovers, right? This is voicemaker.in. You're not gonna get a sound effects or musics in this website. You can generate a voiceover. If you were to type out, I don't know, maybe Lion King movie is good. If you were to type on that, and you can generate an audio for that, right? If you go to change, you can choose a category and so forth and that kind of stuff. And
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you
you do have other language accent. You can choose Indian also. There is also Indian accent.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that you type.
All right, that guy works. If I were to submit and convert to this, seems like that audio we can't use. See, that's audio we can't use. It's a Tiger Pro, but we can use other.
Good afternoon. I am capable of reading any text that
Pro,
you type here.
Pro, all of these are Pro,
Here's a
man.
quote from the Game of Thrones
When I was used to work at this website, there are lots of free version I used to find. Let's get rid of the Indians. Let's go to Japanese. Whoa, there's default. I clicked on the Pro voices. That's why this is all showing Pro voices. Man. Let's go to Indian. Hindi India. So these are all free.
नमस्कार मैं आपके द्वारा यहाँ टाइप
नमस्कार मैं आपके द्वारा यहाँ टाइप
So I clicked on submit, convert to speech.
Lion King movie is good.
See, Lion King movie is good. That's what is this guy saying.
Lion King movie is
But
good.
it's generated by AI. And the other website, you can generate free voices. It's this website. It's called narkit.com. Similar to VoiceMaker, you can choose accents. Let's go for polish this time. Why not? Whatever, choose this one. Type out the same thing. So this website, it might ask you to create an account or sign up or things like that. Yeah, if you were to paste it longer text, it might ask you. But Yeah, you can generate a voiceover in this website.
Young King is good. Young King is good.
That's
Young
the,
King
I
is
guess, the
good.
Polish accent to saying Lion King is
Young
good.
King is good.
Anyway, that's that with the narkit.com, right? These are all the websites you can generate a voiceover for your project. Now, let's talk about the musics. In YouTube, you can literally find copyright-free music. This YouTube channel, I guess I'm not sure, but I guess it's actually the Google was running this YouTube channel. I guess I'm not sure with that, but you can whatever the music you find in this YouTube channel are actually free to use. Uh, I'm not sure with the free to use if you were to creating in a short movie or anything like that, but it's free to use if you were to uploading these musics in YouTube or maybe some social medias, I guess. So yeah, whatever you're gonna find in this website, in this YouTube channel, Audio Library, and I will link down other YouTube channel. There are lots of them. I will link down in the description. So this one is actually, I guess, I'm not sure, but it's actually run. Google was running this YouTube channel, I guess, and they're uploading this. These are all copyright-free musics where we can use our YouTube channels. If you were to content creator, you might check out this YouTube channel. And the similar to this type of channel, it's also another channel called this infraction. They do also upload copyright-free musics, but I would recommend you to be checking the description and what are the copyright stuffs, what they mentioned in that particular music or something like that. You have to check. I recommend you to be checking. Yeah, so you can find a free copyright free music in this website. Not sorry, in this YouTube channel. And other one, it's this guy. It's called Alex Production. He also uploads no copyright musics. One good thing he does, he actually whatever the music he uploads, he tags under Creative Cloud attributes, so that makes us easier to find. So if you were to see this whatever you're searching in YouTube, if you were to music searching in YouTube, right? If you were to see this tag under in the description, meaning you can use Creative Commons Attributes License reuse allowed. All right, so whatever you can find in his channel, musics are free to use. Like in I don't know, maybe YouTube channels and social media kind of places. I'm not sure with the movies. I'm not sure with movies you can take this music and use them in there. So there are other people like this guy. This is another Lucremobu. This is sort of like an individual people, creators of the musics who uploads copyright musics, just like Alex Production. Uh, See, these are all copyright music, no copyright. You mentioned that no copyright musics, right? And I'll try to. There are a few other channels I try to mention in the description, but I will do recommend to checking out the description of the particular music that you're looking for. Checking out the description, what are the copyrights that they mentioned, but it's most likely you can use these musics in YouTube and the social medias, as far as I know. Yeah, please make sure to check on my description for the other YouTube channels where you can pull the no copyright musics. And the additional things that I want to say with pulling the no copyright music from YouTube is you have to be mindful about where you're using. That's number one. Uh, as I said I said earlier, in a general sense, you could use this music to, if you were to uploading in a YouTube video, you can use this music in that video, and the social medias. If you were to creating in a shorts, social media shots, right? You can use this music, as far as I know, but I'm not sure with the other places. That's that. And even though if you're using to the social medias and the YouTube channels for this with these musics, I would recommend to checking out, cross checking out, and reading the copyright description. What happens is, these people's, right, these individual people upload some musics, people like us to be used, right? No copyright, they say no copyright, they upload the music, and the other people, what they do, they're gonna be claim this music as theirs. I have heard the stories like that. So they claim this music as theirs, and whoever used this music, I'm pointing this music as an example, not exactly this. I mean, not exactly this music. So they claim this type of music as theirs, and the people whoever used this music, they would start getting the copyrights, right? That's that. You have to. I'll recommend you to be uploading, download the music, right? Download the music wherever you can download. You can check it out in the description. They would upload the download link, and go to YouTube and upload that, and cross check whether you can getting a copyright issue for that particular music, and then maybe start editing and uploading the music, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Be mindful about where you're using, and read the cross check it the music, and read the description, what the creator said about where to use these music and the copyright things. All right, now it's a time for to look at the map. So this is the website called davidrumsey.com, and in this website you can find some old ancient kind of maps for free again. And if I were to click on, I don't know, I've seen people, these map animators, using this website to get their maps. So if I were to click on cities, for example, and you can download pretty high quality images in this website too. So they have this all this what is this called, Akisato Rito, this city. There is, it's a map, or I don't know, it's a map or a book, but this website, it's all about the maps. So here it is, that Tamastu Mansuri, Mazu, whatever. Let's go with another maps. No more Japanese or whatever. Let's click on this climate. I will show you that you can download a pretty high quality maps in this website. So if I were to click on that, so you can buy a print, but that's not what you would do. I mean, you can buy a print if you would want to, but if you were to click on this export, see these sizes. I mean, these are pretty good sizes. If I were to click on extra large, and this will, of course, will take some time, but it's gonna let me to download this size, which is super cool. I think it 12,200 and whatever. So this is pretty large scale, and you can find the large scale images, I mean maps, in this website. It's a very cool website for maps. All right, so the next site that you can download free maps, this website is called freevectormaps.com. You can find a vector maps. Vectors means it's a scalable file sizes. You can usually you will get a Illustrator file or a .esp files, which means you can scale infinitely. Images, on the other hand, are not scalable. If you were to scale, things get pixelated, but not with this vector file. So here it is in India. I click on that. If I click on download, one thing you have to keep in mind that this vector is actually free to use, but you have to require attributes. What that means is, I think you have to paste this link wherever you're using. If you were to using this map in your YouTube channel, in the description or something like that, you have to paste these attributes, or you have to read out what specifically that they're saying. You have to pay some sort of attributes to use these maps, but these are all free. These are all vector free files. That's what you have to keep in mind with this website. All right, so now that we looked at the images and videos where you can download, now it's time for icons. So this website, it's called iconfinder.com. If you're a web designer, UI designer, product designer, you need to have icons, right? uh, Even if you are a graphic designer, you need to have some icons. And this website, it's called Icon Finder. It's lets you create search for icons. So I'm gonna, let's just say, for example, I'm gonna type lion, and see, there's lots of icons. And again, you can sort of the free one and the outline ones if you would want to, and the solid colors, that kind of stuff. This is the website. It's Icon Finder. I seen people, even the web designers, using this website is to get the icons what they're needed for. So that's that. And the other website, it's called svgrepo.com. So here also you can get the icons. So um, let's click on this one. See, they have a download button for the each individual icons. They'll let you download the svg file, so you can use them on your project too. Yeah, that's that with this website, svgrepo.com. And the next website, it's called flaticon.com. This website, it's actually good for if you were a graphic designer and you needed icons, right? This kind of icons, you can download this in this website. They do have other stickers and that kind of stuff, but let's go for icons for now. And look at this. Let's click on this one. This is that a free one? Yeah, the SVG are not free, but the PNG, you can download the PNG. So this icon, they'll let you download as a PNG. So flat icon, that's right. I seen people like graphic designers using this website to download the icons. Flaticon.com. And the next we have Icon Scott. These are all premium ones, so you can sort out the free one in here. Apparently these are all free ones. See, they're gonna let you download as a PDF, ESP, Illustrator file. Yeah, you can download icons in this website. So style line, what are they gonna be having? So it's fortunate that These colorful ones are paid one, but the outline ones you can download. Yeah, that's that with the iconscott.com. And the next website we have pngrepo.com. So what that means is this website, they don't let you to download the icons as a Illustrator or a SVG, that kind of file type, but they will let you download the PNG. Right? I needed, let's say I needed this icon. They'll let you download as a PNG. All right, that's that with the PNG repo. A PNG repo where you can download the icons for as a PNG file type. And yeah, they have pretty good icons too. See, these are all food type icons. All right, the next website it's called boxyicons.com. So these are all look fancier kind of stuff, but if I were to click on this one, look, I can download as this VG, which is very cool. That's very nice. And yeah, they have really, these are look consistent and good icons. And if I were to type on fruits, what'll be, anyway, fruits. Yeah, they'll let you download as a PNG, which is also another good thing. And you can you can copy this SVG code and paste them on in the Figma or something like an app, and this icon will appear. So let's try. I copy the SVG one. I've already opened the Figma file. Let's see where I can get the icon. There it is. Here is the icon. So here is the icon. So you can copy that SVG file, and you can get them in here too. So I'm gonna delete this one, and yeah, that's that with the boxyicon.com. Very cool website. And the next website we have, it's actually from Google. Google, they have these products, right? Android phones and whatnot. And if you were to designing a app or anything to use that in Android or something, you needed icons, you can come over to this website, google.com icons. They do have other fonts and that kind of stuff, but let's focus on for now icons, right? That's what we're doing. And these are all you can download. You can download them as a SVG and the PNG both. Very nice, right? So that's that with the google.com's icon. Yeah, they have a lot of cool icons. I don't know if you were to type on let's just say mountain motion. Let's go for motion. Did they have a motion icon? Yeah, there it is. So this type of stuff not only works for UI, but let's just say if you're a graphic designer and you want to put icon for motion, you can come over to this website and you can download those this as a PNG, SVG or whatever, right? And the next website we're gonna be looking at, it's actually from Apple Design Resources. If you come over to this developer.apple.com/design/resources, you can find icons. So I have to download currently I'm at in Windows. So if you were to download this DMJ, and they will get you to this page. They have a variety of icons where you can use these icons on your project. Let's say you are designing an app or anything, designing an app for iPhone's app application, right? In Figma or wherever, and you needed icons. This is the website. You can come over and download these icons. not only have this Apple resources guys not only have these icons, they do have other stuff. These are all their fonts, so it might help you out if you were to designing an application for Apple, right? You needed a specific font, what they use. Here is it. Here you can download those fonts. And they do have this resources or kit, or I don't know what to spell this. These resources kits might help you out while you're designing. So I opened in here one tab. Let's just say, see, I opened that resources kit in here, and see this iPad. I probably messed up in here, but anyway, let's go to here. Anyway, let's stick with this iPad keyboard, right? This iPad keyboard, you can, this is a, it's not a component, I guess. So here it is, the typing component, and it's a partially responsive, what to say, I don't know. That's that with the Apple resources. And they do have another cool stuff, which is these mockups, right? You can download them as a Photoshop files. You can use these mockups, right? Yeah, let's just say you designed a web pages, and you want to showcase that, right? You want to showcase that with the how that website you designed looks in the screens like this iMac and whatever, this Apple Pro, MacBook Pro screen. So these are all mockups, right? You can download these mockups and use those. All right. So the next website we have Iconify. This is also a website and a plugin for Figma. I opened in here. I don't know much about the website, but their plugin, to get this plugin, first you have to create an account for Figma, and you have to you have to open up a new file, and you have to go to this one, this icon, Figma icon, and plugin. You have to manage plugin, and you have to search for this Iconify plugin. If you click that, and that will pop out another window, and I have already typed as a man, and look at this, these are all free icons. I can drag and drop, and there it is. There's that the man icon. They do have an emoji type. So these are all vector files, meaning you can scale them infinitely. Very nice, right? That's that with this Iconify plugin that you can access with the Figma. And to use Figma, you have to create an account. Anyway, so the next we have, I know I pulled a million times this website, but it's easy to miss out that these FreePic guys really do have icons. And those are all pretty good icons too. Look at these icons. These are all fill color icons. You can download them as a PNG. If you go to icons8.com, this is a website, right? If you go to icons, you can search icons whatever you want. So let's just say lion, right? Lion. So they have a lot of lions icons, but the one thing you have to remember in this website that you cannot download as a SVG for free, unless if you can get the premium account for this Icon8 website. So for free you can download a PNG, and that is also a little bit smaller file size. So if I click on this download, so as they mentioned, PNG sizes, all right, these are PNG sizes. So 50 by 50 and 100 by 100, these two only are free. If I choose this one, and see, you have to unlock the you have to get a premium account. So if you add money, just get those. So for free, you can at least can get this. Then this might help out people who are looking for free, right? And if I click on download, and there it is, it's downloaded, but small size. That's it. So the next website or resources where you can get icon is it's actually from Figma community. So Figma community, it's where designers and other people would make their designs available to other people. So you can get some assets in this Figma community. Yeah, so if you go to figma.com/community, and the if you go to if you click on this, I mean, if hover over and this design resources, you would see a lot of options, and one of them is icon. They do have other portfolio templates, mobile apps, and those these are all UI kits kind of stuffs. But yeah, you can get those too. If you were to click on icons, there's lots of icons that people made available to use. Um, let's go with this one, right? The guy who built that is Meiras Egmose. I'm sorry if I'm butchering his name. So if I click open it, it's gonna ask that. So here are all of the icons. This is a thumbnail, right? This is a thumbnail, and if you there's a pages in this file, Figma file. If I go to icons, see, these are all icons. Facebook icon component, and the Twitter, and so forth. And anyway, that got closed. So that's that Figma community where you can get the icons too. All right, so now it's the time for fonts. So I seen this article in a dribble.com page. They mentioned some resources where you can download the free fonts. So with their help, so I went to this website called openfoundry.com, and you can find some free resource fonts in the website too. If you were to click on this explore fonts, see, these are all the fonts that you can download. So let's say I want to download this font. So I can come over here, I can click on this one, and that leads to me another sort of page. If I scroll down all the way to the down, I can download that font. And they have lots of other fonts too. So that's that, openfoundry.com. And sometimes the people post the resources, or maybe the places where you can download the stuff, free stuff, in dribble blog pages too. Yeah, that's something I would want to mention that too. And the other website, it's similar. I found with the help of that dribble page. So this is another website. If you were to click on these typefaces, and you can download the fonts in here. That's that. And the other website, it's this awards.com. And so these people will lead you where you can download these fonts. So this is the collection of fonts kind of website. So let's say I wanted to download this font. So I clicked on this. Actually, I clicked on this font, and I clicked on this visit resources. I mean, the place where I can download that font. And in here, I think so here is the get the zip file. If I were to click on that, it's gonna leads me this GitHub page, and in here are the zip folders. So the way you can download those is, I mean, you can click on this one too. Yeah, It's gonna let you to download those hopefully fonts. I never tested, but hopefully I guess fonts. So another website, it's people might know, it's dafont.com. It's easy. Whatever the font you were gonna see in here, let's say if I want to download this one, click on this download button. That's it. That's dafont.com. And similar to the dafont, another website, it's 1001fonts.com. Again, they have this download button on the right side. If you click on that, there it is. It's gonna download that font. And the other website, it's Google Fonts, where you can download. They have all this. Let's say my favorite one is Roboto, right? This is the font we use a lot, right? If I click on that, I can download the entire family, meaning there comes with a lot of variation, bold, light, extra bold, and that kind of stuff. So Google Fonts, that's a Google font. You can download the Google Fonts for free. Similar to Apple, I shown you a website, right? Apple Resource. In that website, you can download their Apple SF Pro fonts in their website too. And the other website, it's called fontsquirrel.com, similar to dafont and 1001fonts.com. If you click on this download buttons they put on right side, it's gonna let you to download. Very nice, right? That's that. And another category of websites that I want to mention, these are all not sort of like a fonts that I show websites that I shown you for now, where you can download the fonts. These are all sort of like where you can use as a inspiration or that kind of stuff. So this website, it's called Fonts in Use. So you can come over to this website and you can search for topics. You can search for format or whatever. You can search inspirations, font inspiration in here. And so let's just say I like this pair. I like this font. If I were to click on that, it's gonna show me what typefaces they used. They used this HO and the other one, similar to other designs that I were to search on. So this poster, right? If I click on that, it's gonna show what font typefaces that they used for this poster. If I were to click on that font, and it's gonna show where all those places that they use the font. And another thing, it's gonna they give this link where you can maybe download that font. Not all of them are free, but some might be they might be linked to this Google font where you can download for free. So if you were to like any design in this website, and if you search on what font that they used, and sometimes they might link to this Google fonts too, or other free resources that I mentioned, other websites. So where you can download that for free. So that's that. So this website is kind of like a inspirational website for fonts. You can come over here and you can search for designs that you like, and you can see what typefaces or fonts to use being used to create that graphics. That's fontinuse.com. Similar to fontinuse.com, it's another website. It's called Fonts in Wild. So let's just say I like this headline, or maybe go with other one, right? So, or let's just go with this one. So I like this headline, and I just want to know what typefaces that they used. So here is download just free. I'm not sure is that free, but see, as I said, they link it to this Google fonts where I can download that font family for free. So that's that. Sometimes they might be link you to the paid website. I mean, their website, font website where you can download, and they might ask you to money to download that font. But sometimes they might be free. So Yeah, that's something you have to check in this website. So I liked this headline and the paragraph test, what they used pairings for these fonts, and I just want to know what font did they use it. And here is they said it's paid. I mean, if I go to this page, it's paid. I mean, this font is paid. So also the similar this description also paid. So I click on this one. So it's free. It's free, and see, it's they're not linked to the font website that I mentioned previously, like Google Fonts or DAW Fonts or whatever. They mentioned this website, and still I can able to download this font for free. Yeah, that's about this website. It's called what Font in the Wild and fontsinuse.com. Similar to these websites, another website it's called ilovetypography.com. So you can see the designs, right? If you were to like this font, if you click on that, and they will take you to the place where you can download that. So these are all maybe paid. So yeah, that's that. Where this is the sites, like as I said before, it's inspirational. You can come over to here, you can see some graphics, designs, and if you were to like those fonts, what been used in that design, you can search what font did they use it. That's very cool. That's all about the fonts. All right, so one additional thing that I want to say with regards to finding what font and knowing what font people use it in the website. So this extension is called what font. You can download this extension if you were to type on what font extension in Google Chrome. You can download this extension, and you can have this extension running in your Chrome browser, or maybe in my case I'm running this in Google Microsoft Edge. So with that extension active, if I go to any website, and if I hover over on any of the fonts, I can see what font that they use. That's all about that extension. All right, so now it's the time for color palette. So this website is called coolers.co. Probably heard this website before. So clicking on spacebar, you can choose the color palette, and they do even have a Xcode in the bottom. So that's that. And similar to colors, this website is called Adobe Colors. I mean colors.adobe.com. So this is an artwork, not an artwork. This is an image. Maybe this one is an artwork. So we can see what are the colors that the artwork is contained of. So these are the Xcode. There's an image. Click on that. It's going to show up right there. So other than that, if you go to this trending, it's going to show what's been trending in the fashion. Because it's run by Adobe, there might be having some maybe data or something. What's are trending currently in the fashion industry, and maybe the colors so we should go for, and that kind of stuff. And the graphic design are like this: illustrations, UI, UX, architecture, game design. So these colors are maybe trending at this point. So that's that. Now it's the time for the 3D assets and the website where you can download the 3D assets. So this website, textures.com, I already mentioned that you can download a image, but you can also download like a bitmap, right? The bitmap and the other things. Then you can take these images, and you can maybe apply these textures on your 3D applications. So that's all I wanted to say with this website. You can also download as a bitmap. So that's that. And the next website is called HDRI Haven. So this website where you can download the HDRIs, lightnings. Um, so they have a lot of these sections: urban, nature, sunrise, and studio. So I clicked on this urban, and I'll click on this one. Close that ad. And they're gonna let you to download as a 8K. This ad is what actually blocking the where you can choose the other option. So you can choose 1K, 2K, 4K. Probably not go with the 8K. It's a very big file size or maybe something like that. Probably you may go for 4K or something, or 2K. 2K would be fine. More in most cases, but I just want to say you can download in this website HDRI lightnings, and then you can use this HDRIs as a lightnings setup in your 3D applications. They have a lot of options. I mean, night, sunrise, studio. So this is a very good website to download the HDRIs. So the next website is called Turbo Squid, where you can download the 3D assets, 3D models. Let's maybe go for airplane. Currently this website is appearing like this, like a whack or something. I don't know. Airplane. Why does this website appearing like this? Anatomy. See, it's appearing like this. It's gonna come up like this. Anyway, uh, for the price, you can maybe put it 0, and then maybe you can type of whatever the thing you want. And then if you search for that 3D model, they're showing the Halloween stuff. I don't know why. I think we have to do this. Yeah, trees. Trees, please. Trees, but not a lot of fruit trees in here, seems like. Gotta pull this handle to right here. Click on this apply, and we'll see what they have. So this one, they're gonna let you to download as a Blender, but it's free, so it's gonna help out people who needed 3D models. So that's that with the Turbo Squid, and then another website. This website is great. It's a blend swap. So I think they do even have a sort of like a extension or plugin for a Blender. So in this website, you can download 3D models, uh, vehicles. I click on vehicles. So they have a lot of all of these models. So let's click on this one. I think it's showing. So this this model is actually comes the file size would be Blender file. So Blender 3.0. So you can use this 3D model, this tank in the Blender. License would be like this, CC, whatever they mentioned. In the other cases, they mentioned something like what they mentioned for this CCO or something. What I don't know what this license means. I think these are all free to use, as far as I know. But I recommend you to folks cross check it. But you can download as a Blender. You can download this file as a Blender. And let's just say if you don't have a Blender, you're using maybe other 3D applications. So what you can do, you can still download as a Blender, and you can get it over. I mean, Blender is a free software, so you have to install that. So you can get it over to this plane, to there, and in there in Blender you can export it as a maybe OBJ or FBX or GLTF, whatever the file you would want, and then you can use those files in the whatever the 3D application software so that you want to use. So the good thing is they have a lot of stuffs in this website. See this motorbike. So yeah, you have if you're using other website, other 3D application, you have to convert that in. I mean, you have to get it over to the Blender and you have to export in a different file. But these are all free assets. See a lot of the stuff, man. This is a cool website. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Compared to other websites, this website it's a little cool. And the other website it's a CG Trader. They're gonna let you to download 3D models, trees. For the pricing, you can still pick 0 to 1 or something, and these are all free trees. They might see these are all the file type you can download as a Blender, BX or BJ, and whatever these files are. Max is 3ds Max. You can download. So they might ask you to log in or maybe create an account to download these 3D models, but so you would have this option. These rocks are free to download. So then another website it's called Dimensiva. In the pricing section, in the pricing, you would have to choose free. Go to free 3D models. They even put this navigation. So these are all free. This one, Apple 16, iPhone 16, not Apple, iPhone 16 2024 by Apple. You can download this model. Maybe they might ask you to log in or create an account, but they're saying it's free. I haven't downloaded it, but another thing that I wanted to mention, in this website you can't find all sort of category of assets that you would want. This website is sort of like a maybe you can download 3D assets like interiors or room interior, car, that kind of stuff. So yeah, the interiors, not a lot of category mean diverse models or something. So yeah, that's that with the dimensiva.com. Similar to this website is called 3dsky.org. It's like a you can download as interiors or something, free category, and I put a table. Let's search for another one. Let's go to 3D Sky. Again, I go for trees. Trees, and if I click on free, and I typed as a tree. This website is only you can download interiors and that kind of stuff. So so they have this drop down, so we can choose whatever we want. So what is technology? What is this audio tech? Whatever. Architecture, fence. So you can download this sort of interior sort of 3D models in this website. That's 3dsky.org. See this kind of 3D models. You can download as a what? Max means 3ds Max file, OBJ file, and that kind of stuff. They might ask you to, again, this website might ask you to maybe create an account, log in, or whatever, that kind of stuff. Yeah, the another website is 3D Adobe Stock. So yeah, I mentioned it for images, right? They do have a free section, but if you go to 3D and then type out whatever thing you want, and just look for the 3D. What I will show you folks. So in the filter, you can't filter as a 3D. I mean 3D free stuff. So this one is free because they mentioned free in here. So they might ask you again this creating license or whatever the things, but they're gonna let you to download as a OBJ. What others the things you can download? So this one, this candy sort of a looking tree is free. And what if I type out other? Maybe airplane or something. Airplane. Maybe I don't see. This one is free. I mean, very good airplane. I'm not gonna lie on that. Uh, this one is also free. So they're gonna let me to download as a OBJ. That's very cool. So you can find some free assets, free 3D assets in this Adobe stocks here and there. Alright, so now I logged into my account and I can download. Here it is, FBX, GLTF. If I click on that, it's gonna be downloaded. So this website, it's very cool actually. I'm gonna lie. So see, these are all. I mean, these environments you can download. This car you can download. If I click on this car and click down this download button, see, I can download it. So the creators of this creators uploads in this website. So whoever created this artist, this car, the Renault Fox, I guess, he uploaded this one and made available to download to other people. So this environment similar, I can download. So the blend and all the stuff. So this icon mean it's not mean it's premium, but you can download that too. I mean I can. So this one, I mean this house, it's a sort of like you may be thinking maybe it may be premium or whatever. Maybe you can download this. So this website, you can download 3D models and very good Sketchfab. I highly recommend to download 3D models in this website. So that's all about the 3D assets, the websites. That's all you can download in here. All right, so the another thing that I wanted to quickly mention that, so this car, right? So this car, while you're downloading, please, whatever the 3D models you're downloading from here, please read out the copyright. So in this car, the author must be credited, commercial use is allowed. So you can use it this 3D model for commercial, but you have to credit the author. So that's that. And the other 3D model may be different. They might ask you a little different stuff. So before you're downloading, please make sure to read the copyright stuff. That's all I wanted to say. All right, so now is the time for other websites. So this website is called graphicburger.com. You can download some cool mockups in this website. So let's say I wanted to download maybe this mockup, right? This mockup. So I'm gonna hit on this download button. It's gonna download as a PSD Photoshop file, and there it is. So PSD and the dimensions are mentioned in here. File size also. And for the markups, there are other website also you can download, and the FreePeak also an option. You can download markups in there. So the next website is called brusheasy.com. In here you can download Photoshop brushes. So 15 Photoshop paint brushes. So I'll click on that, and they're gonna let me to download as a Photoshop brush type. Maybe for this one they're gonna let me to download as a zip. So zip, if I uncompress those, they're gonna give it to me as a Photoshop, maybe brush type, brush files as ABR or something like that. So I can load that brush to the Photoshop, and maybe I can draw whatever I want with that brush. So that's that about brusheasy.com. And this website is called lordicon.com. I probably should have included this website in icon field, but anyway, this website, it's you can download as a icon, but you can download as a lottie files too. So in their website, let's go to their home site. These are all, not all of those are free, but let's search for one you want. Tree, and again you have to click on this general option. So these are all free options. So if I want to download this one, I can download as a GIF, Lottie, embed. Embed means they're gonna give you as some code. You can paste that code into your if you're a web developer. So this icon animation will appear in there in your website. So that's that with embed. You can download as a MP4. You can download as a static too. That's why I said I should have mentioned this in icons. So, but anyway, you can download as a static SVG and PNG. You can even download as a After Effects file, and the Mogul, and the Lottie. So that's that with the lot icons. They have a lot of cool animation icons. So if we, the fortunate thing is not all of those are free. I mean, it's unfortunate. I'll search for another thing, maybe a line. So for the lion, they have, these are a pro one. Maybe not for lion. How about if I search down market free one. So see, these are all a lot of options available for that. You can probably so these are all the stroke width. You can choose it as a regular, light, bold, color too. The green ones you can change it as other color, and the black one you can change it as other color too. So that's good option. And you can download as a After Effects file, Mogul, Lottie, embed, GIF, the statics. So very cool website, lordicon.com. And you can download as a Lottie, right? That lets me to another website. It's called Lottie. So this website, so let's just say you animated something in After Effects with the using only shape layers, Illustrator shape or After Effects shapes. So you animated that, and animated means not like a very big complicated animations, something like this with maybe icons animation something, and you wanted to put that as a maybe as a embed. So you can download these lottifiles.com's extension to the After Effects in Adobe Creative Cloud. If you have After Effects, you can export the animation as a lottie file. You can get that lottie files in here, and then you can host these animations in here, and then probably you can embed this code to your website in the sense you can hand it over to this code to the developer, so he would embed those. So this is an animation, right? This is an animation, and you want to put this animation in the website that you developing. So you animated, let's say you animated this icon in After Effects. So you can render this file as a GIF, and you can probably put it like that too. But GIFs are would be very big file size, but the lot is, see, 27 KB, and this one is 2.31 KB, very small sizes. So what that will make, it's gonna make your website to open fast. This animation, it's gonna make your perform well with animations and opening fast and that kind of stuff. So you can animate it, this kind of animation in After Effects. You can get it over to this website as a lottie file. Then you can host that animation in here. So currently, so this is an animation. So to get the embed code, think you have to click on. So you can download as a lottie file in here too. But that's not the use case what we're going for. So we're going for getting the embed code. This might be useful for the people like developers or something. Where is the embed button? All right, here it is, the embed code you can get. So you can download as lottie files, but handoff. If you go to that section, you can enable this asset link, which means this animation, these lottie files, they're gonna host that in online in their server. You can choose the file format. I'll go with .lottie, and I can copy these embed codes. They have a HTML embed and iframe code. So you can copy these embed codes, and then after copying that, you can paste it on maybe VS Code or something. So this icon animation will appear in there with hosted in the lottie files servers. That's that with the lottie files. In the other website, it's called designmodo.com. So this is an emailer website. So I use this website for a lot. So these are all templates. You can edit these emailer templates and export it as a code, HTML code. That's a very good thing. So let's pick for one template. So this one, I clicked on that one. We'll see what's gonna come up. But anyway, so these images, so here it is, it came up. Anyway, so these images being hosted in the designmodo.com. You can bring your images in here too. You can probably use this template, or you can create from scratch too. And whatever the image you're gonna bring in here, that images will gonna be get hosted in the Designmodo's server, and then you can export as a code. I have to log in. I didn't log in, but you can export as a this is an emailer. You can export it as a HTML code, and then you can put that HTML code in maybe Gmail or Zoho or Outlook, and then you can send that emailer to the clients or whoever you wanted to send. So this website, it's a very cool website. I use a lot personally. And this is all templates. They have a lot of templates. You can choose whichever you want. or you can, as I said before, you can start it, you can start over as a new file, and you can create whatever the things you want. I highly recommend this website, designmodo.com, for emailer designers. And the other website, it's called moodboard.dev. So this is not a, this website, it's a sort of like a, they're gonna give you some inspirational, sort of like a branding inspirational, like what colors to use, what fonts, and that kind of stuff. So they're asking business. It's like if I wanted to type out um, maybe go for product, like e-commerce. Let's go for e-commerce. E-commerce and the styles that, so this is a business, and the keywords that they're asking is how I wanted to get the fonts and the color as a retro or something like that they're asking. Retro is one, and maybe I could go for like a futuristic or something. Not a good option with the retro, but we'll see. Futuristic. And maybe go for man, I'm running out of words to type. Old, vintage. Let's type out vintage. Not a great options, but anyway, so these are all styles reference that I'm giving. Then this is the business. So let's just say you get an assignment, right? If you're a designer, you probably get assignments, right? And you don't know what colors, branding assignments, especially graphic design branding assignments. If you get that, and probably if you don't have an idea to what colors to use, what font, and this website will help you out. So I typed out all this stuff, so I'm gonna click on create. So they're giving me this font, Oswald Bold, and the colors would be like this. So this is sort of like a style branding, the what theme I should probably go for, and this is in this website you can explore that. So if you don't like it, you can refresh and you can type other words too. That's that with the mood board creative.dev. Alright, so now it's the time for Envato. I mean, not the sponsor of this video. Envato, you might be thinking Envato is not a free site where you can download the free things. Yes, you're right. You can download. This is a subscription-based site. You would have to have a subscription to download the assets in this website, but they do really have a free section. If you go to more, and then if you click on these free files, so per month, I guess this month, so they're saying they have 12 hand selected files. That includes fonts, presentation, videos, whatever the things that they're saying. So they're gonna send that to you. So create an account. So they put the CDA button, right? So if you click on that, they might ask. I never tried this. So they might ask you to maybe give a email or something. So they're gonna send this free unselected files. I guess these are all the unselected files. I guess they're gonna send it to your email where you can download. So that's that. Envato, they do have a free section. That's that. All right. So now let's look at. So far we looked at the sites, right? The sites where you can download the assets, maybe collect the free assets, that kind of stuff. Now look at the sites where you can sell your own stuff. Let's just say you're an artist or maybe designer who you creating things by your own, and you wanted to sell your the things that that you're creating in Illustrator or Photoshop or whatever. So this website is called Society 6, where you can sell your digital arts. I mean digital arts in the sense let's just say if you're created if you created an artwork in Illustrator, and if you get it over, if you get that the artwork in here in the Society 6, so the Society 6 will take care of that artwork being printed in a maybe a frame or a pillow cover or something like that, or a rug, and they're gonna ship that product to your buyers. Whoever gonna buy your product, they're gonna send it to them, and you have to link a PayPal account to this specific Society 6 because I've been using this. So and they're gonna be send you the 90% of that price, that the product price. So the whoever uploaded this whoever created this design, he brought in the design. So the Society 6 will take care of maybe printing on this design on a table and shipping those to the people whoever buys your product. And it mentioned $300, right? So they're gonna be society. I may be wrong on this. They might be. They're sending whoever buys this furniture, this table. They're gonna send 90% of this price to your PayPal. That's that. I recommend you to be searching, exploring this website, and to see what you can create and what you can maybe sell your artist. Your stuffs into frames or maybe pillow cover. They have a lot of variety. They have a lot of variety, and I seen that rugs. See the throw pillows, wall clocks. You can put your design in a lot of products, and the Society 6 will take care of that. Printing and maybe selling, putting in a pillow cover or something and sending those to the people. So that's that. The Society 6, similar to this website, it's another website. It's called Creative Market. This is also the same as Society 6. I never tested. I'm not using it, but as far as I know, you can sell your digital assets in this website too. So this might help out if you are an illustrator, designer, who you're seeking to sell your things in somewhere. These are all the sites you can sell your things. Another website is called ETSY, ETSY.com. Same. You can sell your things in here. Another website is called Lemon Squeezy. They asked me to create an account, but anyway, I think if you create an account, you can get started with free. You can sell your things in here too. Not like a Society 6 or something. Society 6 will print out the things in a frames, and they're gonna send that frames, right? The Lemon Squeezy, let's just say if you're an After Effects guy, you create a project file, and you wanted to sell that project file. So this website would gonna help out to sell that. So Lemon Squeezy, that's that, and pretty much that's all about this 2024 Free Stuff Expo. Yes, this video took a long time me to be recording this. But anyway, so if you're a designer, if you're if you're a designer, artist, or whatever, these sites might, I guess, these might sites in somewhat of might help out to you if you don't know these sites before. And yeah, I guess this the information that I set in this websites list might be help out to you. And and if you have maybe websites that maybe we can download the three things, free things, or maybe something like that, maybe help out the other creators or designers, you can put it on the comment section, so it might be help out to the other people, right? So that's that all about this video. Hope this video help out to you. And thanks for watching all the way to this far. I mean, as I said, this video is it's a bit long video. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to click that like button. And maybe if you have a maybe designer friend or whatever creator friend, you can share this video to them. So maybe this video might help out for them. That's that. All right. So anyway, I'm actually struggling to say things. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.